don't know if you can see that or not, but we got red over yellow over plastic and green. This is a medium approach to medium. So we got a train coming in the siding in Abbeville out of Greenwood going on through. We got what you see down there is a coal train's been sitting there for 2 days. It's been sitting there probably for 3 days. Because I remember coming in a night ago. It's been there yesterday and it's here today, so that's 3 days. So this is a medium approach, a medium, y'all. And I'll tell you what, at night I like looking at that. It's real beautiful when you see a red over yellow over flashing green. All right, thank you. I'm gonna hang up for a little bit. Bunch of kids just run off track. I'm in Calhoun Falls, South Carolina. We got a train on the main line. They pass it through here, go across this Savannah River. Big waves at us, y'all. Friendly engineer. Empty auto rack, heading to Atlanta, and then trying to go to Cincinnati. All right, beautiful. You got the gates going up, arms and stuff. He had a clear signal coming in and a clear signal going out. I went down and looked at signals a while ago. Calhoun Falls. You see the highway, the traffic going across the highway over the cover, over the auto racks. That's going to Anderson to the right. And right there would have been the bridge off the Atlantic Coastline track out of McCormick heading to Anderson. This used to be a 2-train town. All right, thank y'all.